How to create your own Telegram sticker. For that, first of all, you have to make sure that you have updated version of Telegram application. Then launch your Telegram application and then on the searching bar, search for stickers. Then go to the stickers official page. Then you have to hit on the start. Once you hit on the start, on the chat box, you have to type /new pack. Then send it. Once you send that, now the very next step you need to do is give a name to your sticker. You can choose any name you like. Once it is done, now you have to give them a PNG photo to create a sticker. Once you send the sticker on the PNG file form, your sticker will be automatically created. So this is a very simple step to create your own Telegram stickers. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.